We wanted to go over how to get the most of your chiropractic care in our office.
Our body can only heal as well as we support them. So the adjustment does not heal you, you heal you. The adjustment opens and supports the pathway between brain and tissue cells.
Time and repetition are necessary for change. This is why we always recommend a care plan, even if it's to support your maintenance care at a frequency of once a week or every other week.
So this idea of habits. So in other words, we have a consistent time or day or days that we get adjusted or we recommend adjustments, because the less energy that's spent making these small decisions, the less disruptive and the more supportive your care can be.
The reason 3 times a week is necessary is because it's like exercise. The goal is to stimulate change in your body, and the spine is the gateway to the brain.
And so as we change the brain with consistent motion through the spine, through the subluxated joint, change is made, similar to a workout plan. So if you ever heard or wonder why a chiropractor, you hear they adjust the same segment, the same areas each time, this is exactly why.
An example would be if you want to run a faster mile, you would train running and other various forms of cardio. You wouldn't mix it up and start doing bicep curls one day, calf raises the other. You're going to train to run faster.
So with consistent change through your body, we create change in your life.